get date or get day? I think.
Oh, day. Sorry. This is the day.
Yeah.
Sorry, that is the. So everything is good, guys.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Now let's understand another function, right? Now get month. Get month. What is it's returning now? What this function is returning now? It's a return. It's a return. It returns month's number. Like what is that? January will be the 0. January will be the 0. January will be the 0. February will be the 1. Like that it's returning, guys. Like that it's returning now. So if you want, what is that? If you want what is a full year, then what is that? Get full year function is there. So this function is returning. It returns full year. Now. Okay, so same like if you want these things in the short format, like what? Date and time. Then for that, to local date and string. Right? This function is there. It will return short date, only date only we will get. To local time, to local time string. Like that, if you then you will get short time. Okay, so these are the possible functions are there in the date API, guys. Based on this one, we are working. So just assume that you are using the Facebook. You are using the Facebook application, as well as you are using what? You are using some, just assume that some website. So if you are opening that website in the morning time, so after logging that, hey, some so and so person, whatever your name is there, good morning, that website is saying. If you are opening that website afternoon, that website is saying good afternoon. If you are opening that website, means logging your that website in the night, so it's a evening time, so it's giving the good evening, right? Good evening. Based on that, let's design this kind of logic. Right? Based on these functions, using these functions now. So what is that? How these things is working? Based on that date, right? Based on that current time and the date, we are performing this operation in the project, guys. In the project, like that we are performing. Just assume that you are log in your Facebook account. Just assume it, right? So let's take here, what is that? I'm taking username. I'm taking what? Username. Inside that, let's take username, can be anyone, right? Anyone name. Let's take Sandeep name only. Sandeep, right? Sandeep is opening his Facebook account. So just I'm designing, writing the programmatically way, guys. Okay, still you will not get that UI feel. UI feel you will get in the Angular itself only. Unless we are playing with the console, you cannot get a UI kind of feel, right? Once we will enter in the Angular, then you guys will get those kind of feeling. Now I'm taking, what is that? Let's take I'm taking now new date API, means nothing but current date time. Hey, why it's giving the error?
Spelling.
It's asking to take Like
No, spelling mistake.
DATE.
DATE.
oh,
DATE.
correct.
Date.
Yeah, good. Right? Date. Good, good. Now date. I taken date now. Okay. So next, what is that? I want, what is that? Hours. Hours. 24 hours. Just we seen that one function, right? Now I want, what is that? We want, what is that? Get hours. We taken
Get
our,
hours.
yeah, first
First
function.
one.
First one itself only, right? Let's check it. Now how we can do it now? So let's take let HRS equal to, I want current date time, right? So we will take now dot get hour, right? We will call this function and a current hour. We will get it. It's presenting 0 to 24, 23, right? We will get, what is that? 0 to 23. Come on. Right now, based on that, we will write the logic, right? What kind of logic we can write it? What kind of logic we can write it now, guys? So let's just check it. Let's check the condition. If right, another logic will be else if right, else if, again else if, right? 3 times we need to check it now. Come on, evening time, morning time, as well as night time. Come on. So I'm checking that. What we will do it now, guys? We will check the condition. Based on that condition, we will perform the operation now. So now we will take here first. What is that? HRS. HRS. Now what is that? What is that? If our time is greater
Less
than,
than 12.
if our time is greater than 0 0 0 0, right? 0 0, and one more condition we will check it. One more condition we will take it, right? HRS is what is that? Less than. HRS is less than equal to 12,
12.
right? 12. Then what is that?
Morning.
Console dot log. Console dot log, right? What is that? Just let's take hello. Now dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now read the username and give the message as a good morning. Good morning. Right? Good morning. Now copy the same and paste it here. Hello, make this one as a good afternoon. Good afternoon. Paste here, make this one as a good evening. Good evening, right? Good evening. Now fine, guys. So here we will write the logic again. Now here, what is that? HRS is what is that? Greater than 12. Greater than 12. And what is that? HRS, we will check our time is, what is that? Less than or equal to 17. Then good afternoon will be there. Then again, one more condition we will check it. What is that? HRS, let's take greater than 17, right? And what is that? If less than equal to 23, then what is that? Good evening. We will get what? We will get the message 23. Oh, sorry. Here we are not getting the HRS now. So that is the reason.
Yes.
HRS. Right? Now we will get like this. But here why we are getting 0 0? Is equal to, we need to give equal to, then it will be the resolve. Not at all resolving. Why?
Take 1 0 otherwise.
Yeah, 0. Let's take 0, right? Okay, now let's compile it. We will get in this time, what we will get it now, guys? Just tell me, based on that, by seeing the condition.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Shandeep, good afternoon, right? Hello, Shandeep, good afternoon. Now, if after then 12, right? After 12, if we are increasing, it means what? After 17, if we are increasing that things, right? If we are increasing, then what is that we will get? Good night. I'm changing the time, right? I'm changing the time, date and the time. Now, change. Now, let's make this one as a 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Change the time. Okay, change the time now, guys. Okay, now again come here. Now compile it. Now run it. What we are getting now, guys? Hello, Sandeep. Good evening, right? Now let's change one more time. Let's change one more time. Now let's okay, no issues, guys. Let's make this one as a 12 na. Let's make 1, but here let's make this one as a AM. Now change it. What we will get it now, guys? Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs.
Hello, Sandeep. Good morning, right? Good morning. So whenever we are logging this kind of logic, we are doing in the project, guys. Okay, but the thing is here we are seeing these things as a console, but if you are checking the logic, right? If you are seeing this kind of messages at the time of login, means what? Like that only we are defining the logics. Like this only we are defining the logics in the program, guys. Okay, in the program. Now same like what? Same like let's do some more experiment with the another different what? With different functions, right? With the different functions now. So hey, Control Z, copy this one. Let's give this example to you people also. Yeah. Now another one, 1 minute, guys. I need to change the time. Open automatic to set. Yeah. Now let's understand next level functions, right? Functions. Now what I'm going to do now, let's design one more example. Now I'm taking what is that? Let I'm taking what is that? Product as a string. Product as a string. Let's take product as a string. This one is a, let's take Samsung TV. Samsung TV. Okay. Another one. Let's take let MFD, manufacturing date. Okay. Let's take this one as a any type. Okay. Let's take, and inside that new date I'm taking, right? And we are giving the format should be, guys, if you give anything or any another format, okay, it will not. This is the string data only, guys. So let's give 2022. I'm giving not 2023, I'm giving 2022 in this format. 01 and let's give any 18 data, right? 18 anything date is any date I'm giving. So now what I'm going to do now, let's perform the operation on this one. How we can, what we will get it now? Now if we print that one, console dot log, right? Now backtick, and let's take dollar symbol, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Now let's print that product. Okay, so another one, let's take /n. Now dollar symbol, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, MFD. Okay, I'm taking this one. Now MFD. Now this format is correct. That is the reason we will get what is that in this format itself only our current date and time. Now what is that? Let's compile it. Now we are getting right Samsung TV and what is that Thursday. Just if you want to check 18/22 January DDMM, right? Something issue is there inside that. Thursday Jan 18 2022 DDMMYY be given, but why it's giving? Okay, 1 minute. Just I'm changing the pattern, guys. Just I'm changing the pattern. Let's see that. I'm changing the, we will get some in my point of view. But still we are getting the result. Huh? It's not working. It is not working at all, right? Okay, so yeah, we given this
We
day.
have not provided
No, no, no.
DDMMYY.
No, no, no. We given this one, right? But at the time of what I want to. Okay, now 2022. Let's give, right? Now I want to read that month data, right? I want to read that month data. I want to read that month data, right? So how we can read it now? How we can
Dot get
read it
month.
now? Dot get month, right? Get, but it isn't giving no. Dollar symbol we given, right? Month I want to read. Then we will take MFD dot. Only get is there giving. Why get month isn't giving? That is the question. No?
Or can we write get month? Maybe.
Dot get. Okay, let's write it. Okay, because it should give the suggestion. We stored the data, right? It should
Yeah.
be. It isn't giving the suggestion. That is the, okay. Let's write it. I want what is that month, right? I want month. Let's check it. I want month. What is the month? It's compiled now. Okay, no issues. It's a giving, guys. Okay, we need to,
Yes, yes.
it is not giving the suggestion. So I said, right, January will be the 0. Come on, in the explanation itself only I said, right? If we
0
are
to
taking,
11.
if we get the get, if we are getting what is that month, then month is returning what? Month is returning
0 to 11.
get month is returning 0. January will be the 0. 0 to 11, right? So if you are taking this one as a, what is that? 2. 2. If you are taking is this one is the 2, then now it will be the February. If it is returning 2, then means what? February. Don't worry, I'll design one application also. 1 means what? February. 0 means January. 2 means what? March. Like that we are getting, right? Come on. Like
Yes.
that we are
Yes.
getting, like that we are getting now. So same like if you want the things, right? If you want, just if you are changing the pattern, you will get error. I think so. Let's check it, because it's supporting 2020 22. Okay, leave it, not a big issue, right? Now I'm compiling this one. Still is giving. Okay, it's a taking the format, guys. Okay, I was thinking about that. It's taking that format by default itself only. So like that we are performing the operation now, guys. Like that we are performing the operation now. So just assume that if you want to print that January February also, then how you can Monday Sunday, like Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday, these things also if you want, right? Then what you need to do now, guys, you need to take like this. How you can take it now? Now you need to take let let month, right? Months array, and inside this one, what you will do, you need to take array data as a January. Now Feb, now March, right? Now you can take like this, March, April, like that. You can take the data. If you same like, why this one is giving there, okay, no issues. We need to give what is the, let's give string, right? Same like if you want to give the things to month, week also, right? So here you need to give week, weeks, days, right? Now weeks, days, here you can give Monday, right? Like that we are giving. After then, if you want to perform the operation, then you can perform like this. How you can? Now month if you want, then mfd dot get month, right? Get month. If you are taking like this, then we will get what? But we will not get like this, no? So something issue is there, no? Then we will take month, we are taking, right? Month we are taking.
Yeah.
Just I need to think the logic, guys. 1 minute. Yeah. So what we will do it now, guys? So we will take this one, these things in the array format, right? In the array, we will read months, right? We will read months data. If you want to read months, right? Here, whatever, like second, what is that? What we are doing now? 18th to, right? Second month. Okay, let's take first, it will create a, otherwise confusion now. 2022. Okay, 2022. Now let's compile it. We will get what? If we are giving 2 is there, means what? Which one we will get it now, guys? We will get February na? Come on, February means nothing but 0 and 1. It is there in the 1 index, and this one is a 0 and 2 is nothing but what?
No, it's
Now
I think, yeah.
TSC.
Just FEB.
See, array is a 0 index, 1 index, and this one, let's give 1. This one is give 1. Now we will get what is that? February. What we are getting now? Samsung and February. We are getting or not? Come on, because this February data is coming from the array, because which is already we defined based on that index number. Because get month is returning what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, and it's going in the index, and it's from 1th index, whatever data is there, that data is presenting on the console. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now same like if you
Got it.
want, what is that? Weekdays also. What you will do now? Guys? So mfg dot, what is that? Get what do you want? You want weekdays also, right? Weekdays also. So how you can get days? Get day function is there, right? We will call this function, and here what is that? In the array, we will call which one now? Weekdays, right? Weekdays function. Now compile it. TSC. Now see, V and January. V is what? Okay, week. Wednesday, guys. Okay, so this one, sorry, this one we are getting right, half only we declared, right? So that is the reason. And January we are getting from the month. Clear? So like that we are using the this date functions, guys. Okay, like that we are using this date functions and we are working in the date API. So this is also one example. So other function, you guys, like that only whenever we need a requirement, guys, based on that we are using minutes, hours, these things we are using, right? So seconds also use minutes and hours we use, means this one also you can check it, right? Day also I work, date also, get date.
Right.
Get date, just like what is that? If you take get date, you will get current date. All those things you can check by yourself now, guys. Okay, like that. So we
Yes,
can,
sir.
so like that we are working in the date API, also in the TypeScript, guys. Okay, so till now we covered what is that in the non-primitive things. In the non-primitive things, what we covered now? Array we covered, object we completed, map we completed, date we completed, right? So now next weekend I will not take session. Date spell mistake, where? Okay, I think
That's a before message maybe.
okay. So now these things I covered in the TypeScript, guys. Now next weekend will not be there. The session we don't have the session, guys. Next weekend we don't have the session because I have some plan. I will complete those things now. So what we will do it now? After next week we will meet, right? Then we will start enum and regular expression. Once these two things is completed, then we will start operator. Once operator will complete, then we will start OOP concept. Means to completing these these things I need minimum 3 weeks, guys. Minimum 3 weeks. Then only I can start Angular. 3 weeks means one weekend I need to complete OOP concept. 1 weekend I need to complete operators, and 1 weekend I need to complete enum and expression, regular expression. So minimum 3 weeks I needed to complete these topics. Once we completed these topics, then we will ready for learning Angular. So slowly we are reaching on that point to learn the Angular, guys. Okay, but the thing is, whatever time we are spending in the TypeScript, that is the very 100% important for doing daily programming in the Angular, guys. So don't think we are wasting the time in the TypeScript. We are golden time we are spending in the TypeScript. So I'm stopping our session itself only here, guys. If anyone having any doubt or anything, if anyone want to talk, right? So they can unmute yourself. I'm giving 1 or 2 minute time to you people. Utilize it, guys. Anyone?